Ah, stop. So, at least I get to see this before I leave the country.
They feel futuristic, but the need to buckle up is the same as always. So keep your seatbelt fastened, please. If you're traveling with little ones,
I got it.
we'll do all the driving, so please don't touch the steering wheel or pedals during your ride. We may use interior cameras, check on riders, improve our products, and more.
Coming in
Our
hot.
microphones are only on when you're connected to rider support. So sing your heart out. We can't hear you. You can also use the app or passenger screen to speak to a rider support agent at any time. In the rare case of an emergency, please keep your seatbelt fastened and remain in the car unless there's an urgent need to exit. Rider support will connect with you and provide assistance. Finally, relax and thank you for riding with us.
Nuts. Street sweeper barely missed our car. Sorry, Scott and Kasey, right in front of your house is dirty now.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.
Thank you. Bye, robot car.